After the Pokemon Center in Sunshine City, we headed to Shibuya to get some sushi.
How'd you do in the crosswalk? I think this might be it.
Yeah, it's this one.
What's this right here? Kindly. What the hell? Wendy's first kitchen?
Yeah, we got really excited over Wendy's, and it's not the last time we bring it up.
We made it to Genki Sushi. We had to wait a really long time because there was a group of 11 that came in. Time for some conveyor belt sushi. Got some grilled salmon. Let's see what else they got. Some squid. Squid might be interesting. Salmon with mayo. Let's see, boiled shrimp, sweet shrimp, fresh yellowtail, corn and mayo, salmon and avocado. That doesn't sound bad at all. There's a lot. There's so much. I'll see what I get.
Okay, so can I have a drink as well?
After explaining to Ivan that he can't play Fortnite on this, I helped him order.
So 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Go and then place order. Order's being processed. Now we just gotta wait for it and it'll show up right here. Isn't this cool?
Yeah, it is. I wish everything was like this.
I know, this is nice.
I'm still pretty psyched though. I found a Wendy's down the street.
You're psyched about the Wendy's? What does it mean by Wendy's first kitchen? Is it like a gourmet style Wendy's or something?
I hope so.
That'd be cool. Let's get something to eat and then maybe we can get something to eat.
I can't wait.
This is exciting. And then you press the button to take it. Press the button and then it's on its way. Look at that. Hot water on tap. Already starting. What's next for you? Eyeball, go for it. What if it comes spilling through the machine? Shrimp tempura. One bite. I keep missing where it's coming from. I got a tempura. They have cheeseburger sushi, so I had to try that. 6 plates in, and I'm actually pretty full. This is only about $9. I gotta save some room for ice cream, you know? It comes with this game. Let's see, Lucky Sushi. Oh no, better luck next time. I don't know what that was, but it came with the dessert. I'm pretty full. This is gonna be about $10, maybe slightly over. How's that part fat?
This thing fat, boy.
So I like my parfaits like I like my boys. Fat.
I just like that this has everything you want, like ice cream, whipped cream, pudding, juice, fruit.
That's it. I'm good at vlogging. So Jam just spent a $5 on this mystery sexy box. So we're gonna open that later and see what it is. Hopefully it's not this.
I hope it is that.
We got our touristy pictures, and then it was time to go home and find out what was in the sexy box.
It is so busy here, all the time. Nice and squished.
Help me.
Here we go, boys. Let's go get some pinche tortas.
Alright, it's finally time to explain this joke. So, it all started with Jam's cousins who like to pinch each other's foreskin and say, "Tienes chicle?" So I told Jam I was gonna pinch her and say, "Tienes jamon?" I looked at Ivan and said that he's such a big dude that he not only has jamon, he has a whole torta. And that's the story of this, and it's gonna come up again, so now you know. We got off the train and luckily we were really close to where we were staying.
That's on that side? Oh shit. We might be real far. There's a KFC right there, so I don't know what that means for us. This street is called Piss Alley, but it looks really nice. Oh my god, that smells so good. Is that just goofy drool?
That'd be in water.
Look at the bottle. It's that Hilka water. So everyone's pretty tired out now. It's not even that late. We were just walking a lot. But we've been seeing this bread on the way, walking places. What does the bread look like?
Everything I've ever wanted.
It looks like it's like hollowed out and just like a bunch of fruit and like whipped cream and stuff in the middle. There's one place right by the Airbnb. So we're just gonna, we got some drinks. And we're just gonna go back to the room and get one of those breads.
None of us could figure out where to order them, but this is a display of what they're supposed to be. It was finally time to figure out what 500 yen can get you from a Don Quixote.
What's in the sexy box?
Well, I'll show you what's in it.
Ivan, do you want to see what's in the sexy box?
I think it's in the bathroom.
He's taking a shit. Any guesses to what's in the sexy box?
She said it's heavy. It's one of those egg things.
I'm gonna open up the sexy box.
What if it's an egg fart?
I think it
$5. Let's see what $5 got us. Pop that boy open. What is this? Is that like a flaccid penis?
It's a little pocket pussy. And lube. Look, it has a little bit of like lube residue on it.
Did you say
Megan.
pocket pussy?
Yes, this is what these are called.
Finally have you a hormone that you want. You want some hamon? I got your fucking torta right there.
I think so. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this.
Later that night I hit Carl in the eye with it, so we had to call it a day. Make sure to subscribe to come back for more Tokyo videos.